Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms, and I am here to do a plan with me and my Hobonichi Weeks using the Hobonichi stickers in the back of the Villa Beautiful August kit called VB Studios. So if you want to see me plan for this week, which is the 9th of September through the 15th, keep watching. All right, you guys, so before I get into the actual plan with me, I do want to welcome all of my first-time viewers. If this is your first time, do me a favor and drop me a purple heart in the comments box so that I know that you are new. And then also do me a favor and click that subscribe button so you can be subscribed to the channel, and as well that notification bell so you will never miss any of my new videos. Okay, so you know it is tradition, and if you don't know, it is tradition for me to always show you a recap of last week's spread. As you can see, I didn't have a lot of things that I wrote in here, but for what I need this planner for, it provided all of my needs. I normally call this like my EDC or my on the go, but one of my subscribers who's actually a good friend, she calls it her personal assistant. So I told her I was going to steal that because it does kind of work as your personal assistant. You put the highlights of your day in here so it can remind you of the things that you need to get done for that day. So I'm going to be using that. So thank you to the planning accessory for that little for that little description of what this is. And y'all make sure y'all go check her out on Etsy. She has some amazing kits, and she also have some Hobonichi kits, and I will be doing a couple of spreads really soon showing her kits for the Hobonichi. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into planning for the week of September the 9th through the 15th, and I will be using the Hobonichi section of the August kit from Villa Beautiful called VB Studios. Everything about this kit is so perfect to me. What I will end up having to do is just to add some top washi because this just has bottom washi. But if y'all are a planner babe, I'm sure y'all got plenty of Simply Gilded washi that will match this kit. So for those of you that did get the Villa Beautiful kit, I hope you use these as well. So I am doing this spread in collaboration with my good friends Sassy and Lisa. Lisa Mack is planning and praying, and then Sassy is Ms Sassy's Corner on YouTube. So after you check out my video, if you haven't already seen theirs, make sure you go check them out to see how they use their VB Hobo Kit in this week's spread. So less talking, less playing. All right, love, so let's get started. So I am using these new tweezers that I got from Luscious Labels. I will leave their link in the description box. But what I'm doing now is just pulling off these date hearts from my newest addiction, simply because it just makes it easier when you're going to lay them on your date covers. So I've went ahead and skipped over, and you see how perfect they fit in the heart area of the date covers. So it was perfect. So all I'm doing is just laying down date covers. I'm gonna kind of skip over this because it's a little redundant, and it's just all about lining it up so they will be straight versus crooked. So now I'm gonna go ahead and lay this bottom washi. And I like for my bottom washi to cover up the writing as much as possible. Sometimes, depending on the cuts of kits, it doesn't always work, so you have to improvise. But Tiffany got the measurements on point with this kit, and I absolutely love it. Because it didn't come with any top washi, I did decide to use some of this rose gold. I'm sorry, I have my window open, so you probably hear cars, but I decided to use this rose gold bow washi from Simply Gilded, and it was no big deal. My thing is, as long as a hobo kit has bottom washi, I'm cool, because I can I can improvise with top washi, because if you are anything like me, I'm sure you got some 10mm washi laying around, whether it's Simply Gilded, Happy Planner, from Hobby Lobby, Joann, Michaels, whatever, you got some 10mm washi. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on both sides because, you know, it's kind of a thing to have washi on the bottom and the top on both pages. But I do it not just because it's a thing, because again, I don't like to have that writing showing in my spread. So now I'm using these strips. These are like, I guess you can call them divider strips. And they're created to kind of divide the spread up. If you look closely, you probably won't see it here, but on this page you have like a line in the middle. So most kits that have these strips is normally 3 of them, because you can break it up into 2 halves on the left side, and then you take this 3rd strip and use it for what I'm using it now. And typically some people use that little narrow box to put like their weather, their work schedule, or their moods. I just do whatever. I don't have a rhyme or reason. Sometimes I use it as a deco space. Sometimes I use it to mark important days, to line it up with the days of the week. Other times I will just create my own list, whether it be shopping or things like that. So with this side, what I'm doing now is just kind of alternating the checklist boxes along with these what will be considered half boxes. No real rhyme or reason, but after I started laying them, I did decide to kind of switch it up a little bit, because this is a super short work week for me. My husband and I are going to a conference on Thursday and Friday, so I'm not working. So I decided to switch up how I use the boxes. I wanted to use these half boxes to indicate where I will be working for the week, which would only be Wednesday and Saturday. I know that sounds like the best schedule in the world, but I have to work extra hours, so I make sure I can get all of my clients in on the days that I won't be working. So I really like, how can I say this? Even though some of the things that I do with my Hobonichi layouts are like how most Hobonichi planners do, I do like to kind of break the monotony and not do my checklist all lined up on one side. I think it just makes it look a little less robotic, in my opinion. I mean, no hate to nobody that ladies like that. I don't want nobody to be sending me no hate emails and dropping DMs and stuff like that saying that I'm a hater. Just for me, excuse me, for me, I just like to kind of see a little diversity. You know, that's how I live my life, very diverse. So my planners are very diverse in regards to my layouts. So I wanted to use some of these stickers to indicate some important dates. Monday the 9th, by the time you see this, it was already passed, but it is the VB or Villa Beautiful anniversary, as well as her pen release, and I hope you guys got the pen. Those pens were absolutely gorgeous. All of them were collab pens. The only pen that was not a collab pen was the VB Studio pen, and that came from August kit, and those were just extras. So, you know, the one thing with the kit pens, they are made exclusively for the kit. So if you do get an opportunity to get them when she does do a release, you have to be fast because all they are extras. And then you saw on Sunday, I did put pre-order kits because on the 15th, she will be dropping the October kit. And the way she does her kit releases is always for the upcoming month. So on the 15th of the month that you're in is always going to be the kit for the upcoming month, if that makes sense. So prime example, the kits that we got in August, those were the kits that were released in July. So the kits that we'll get this month were the kits that were released in August. And then so the kits that are being released in September will be kits that you get in October. I hope I haven't confused you, but just follow me. It's always it's themed for the month ahead when she releases them. So anyway, now that I've confused you, I'm going to lay down some of these gorgeous gold foil script stickers. I got these for the, I don't know what the name of this sale was. It was like Wow for Planners or something like that. Well, this shop that I got these stickers from during the sale is called XOXO GLAM, no, Glitter and Glam. And her script stickers are so cute. Like right now, y'all know I'm trying to do all of my own script stickers, but for now I will be getting them, at least my full scripts, from XOXO Glitter and Glam, because I wish y'all could just see them in real life. They are so stinking amazing. So now I'm gonna pull out some work script stickers, just because, you know, we're gonna do this whole foil thing, so I'm gonna just foil it to death. And like I said, I'm only working 2 days this week, so I am going to use them on Wednesday and Saturday. And then I'm gonna also pull a coffee one, because, you know, I have to have something about coffee on some part of my spreads. So I will leave the name of her shop in my description box as well. But y'all have to check her out. Like, her scripts are so cute. And then it's like, it does this little squiggle with a heart. Yeah, it's a whole thing. So as you can see on that innermost part of the right page, I'm using these quote unquote full box stickers as more of like a deco sticker, and I'm just taking some of the icons from the kit and putting them on those boxes. Now I'm just laying down that cute for computer sticker, because I have to remember I have to send some emails and stuff out like that. And sometimes you don't have to write down things. You can just use the icons and it'll jog your memory to let you know what you need to use them for. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is work on this right side. And y'all know I typically kind of create my own type of area for this week and all of that. But for some reason I decided to outline this box sticker, and I feel like I just wanted to use these tweezers because they are so stinking cute and they are so fine at the tip. It makes lifting your stickers up so much easy. So now I can kind of, you know, give up using the tip of my X-Acto knife, and I can just use my tweezers. That way I can lift it and pull it instead of lifting it with the X-Acto knife, putting it down, then getting the tweezers to lift it up. And so again, if y'all are interested, I did get them from Luscious Labels, and they are in another country, but they came super fast. Like, when I say fast, it came a lot faster than some of these local shops. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, no hating though. So now I'm just doing my border to separate my this week section, and for some reason my lines were a little janky this week. I don't know why, and I mean, I was going up against the ruler. I think maybe because I had my pen on an angle and it kind of went underneath the ruler. I don't know what happened, but anyway, I'm gonna fix that corner by adding a deco sticker as well. So, you know, the one thing that I like about stickers, they fix just about anything. So if I probably would have never filmed this and never said anything, y'all probably would have never known that I messed that area up. So it is what it is. So I put this cute I am a Villa Babe sticker because I am a Villa Babe. Even way before I got on her design team, I've been super passionate about all things Villa Beautiful. So now I'm just kind of pulling off some extra things because I wanted to, anytime I use a Hobonichi kit, it is my desire to use all the stickers, but sometimes it doesn't work out that way, which is all good because I just put them in my sticker storage for future use. You never know, you might need to use those stickers at another time. So I did pull that sheet out the back of the page just because I know I wanted to put it with the rest of my Hobonichi leftovers. So now I am pulling a Real Life with Luvs and CheKesha script sticker that I made myself to indicate ministry on Tuesdays at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then this Bible study script sticker because I do have a virtual Bible study group and we meet every Monday. For now, I think we're going to be switching it to Wednesday starting next week. And then for Sundays, that's my planning time when I kind of start writing down my pre-plans so I can put in my planners that I decorate for the week. And I decided to use another one of these Villa Beautiful pins just to indicate or use as an icon sticker for me, you know, just planning, writing out my plans. So just going through trying to see what else I can use before I start to write down my plans. But I love it and I hope y'all love it too. So I'm gonna go ahead and write down my plans for the week and let the music play, and then I'll be back with the outro. All right, love, so I am finished my spread in my Hobonichi Weeks and I absolutely love it. I mean, look at all of the foily goodness. Let's do a quick Lisa Mack shimmy real quick so you can see all that shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Look at all that foil. So again, it's very functional. This is my official personal assistant and all I do is just write down the things that I know that I need to get done when I'm out and about. Again, I am trying to stay true to a actual plan with me video. So I did write in some of the plans that I already have written down because I do some pre-planning, but I am a daily planner and I know y'all get sick of me saying that, but I am. So typically what I will do is if I wake up early enough in the morning, I'll check off things that I can get done that morning and add things that I know that I need to do once I'm out and about. Or when I get home and settled, I'll go ahead and check off the things that I've done that's already written and then add things that I ended up doing throughout the day. So that's just my planning style. But I'm really loving the colors. Tiffany did an amazing job with this anniversary kit. The colors are just giving me all the planner life in the world right now. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. And as well, go ahead and make sure you check out Lisa Mack and Sassy's videos. I will leave their links in the description box. If I don't have their links, just go to their pages. I will leave the links to their pages as well. We all are doing a collab using our VB kits in our Hobonichi Weeks. So if you have enjoyed this video and you don't want to miss any future videos, all you have to do is first make sure you subscribe to the channel and then click the notification bell so you will be notified. So if you love this video and this has inspired you, do me a favor and share it with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, loves, peace.